So for this recipe, you need your fish, you need onions, garlic, ginger, seasoning cube, carrots, some crayfish, habanero pepper, bell pepper, and some chopped tomatoes. Basically, I'll just cook the fish with some onion and seasoning and then put aside to cool off, and then make my tomato sauce. Pouring your oil in the pot, pouring your blended garlic, ginger, onion, and pepper. Fry a bit, and then put in some seasoning cube, put in some herbs. In the herb I have thyme, oregano, and the curry blend, and then pour in some salt to taste, and then turn in the chopped tomato. Once that is done, you turn and mix thoroughly and allow to cook. While it cooks, the fish will have cooled down, and then you debone it. So already I have my chopped carrots and bell pepper, and my sauce is ready. So I've deboned my fish now, and I've chopped the vegetables. So all I need to do is turn in the fish in the already prepared sauce. The sauce is ready at this point, but I'm still going to add some vegetables to it as usual because I love colors and I just love to enjoy the texture and vitality of different like variety in my food. So yeah, you can always enjoy this with potato, yam, rice, and anything you choose to enjoy. So thank you for watching. Bye.